this is Crypto Stef, and today we're going to talk about the crypto markets. Welcome to everyone who joins my live stream. Enjoy and sit and hear my thoughts about Bitcoin and the crypto markets. So let's go first and see what's trending in the market. Let's go on Binance. Let's see the first on the USDT pair. So on the USDT pair, the loser is Nus, RLC, Tomo, Ren, and Apra. I don't know anything about these coins, but if you trade it, you're in loss. And trading, it's waves and bet, also engine, FTM, and Dash. Also Litecoin, and on BTC pairs there is waves, there is bet, my mainframe, BTC, engine, BTC, Stratis, Storm, Sia Coin, Civic, BTC. So first let's go and see our biggest volume right now. It's Bitcoin. Currently Bitcoin is sitting at $7,320. Let's see the price section. So as you can see, 4-hour SAR is bearish, the price is below 200 MA. We're sitting on this trend line. Support right now is 7,080. If it breaks, the next level you want to watch is 7,200. After that, this level, which was tested many times, and if this breaks, your next level to watch is 6,800, or this level 6,900. So currently Bitcoin is in no trade zone. If we go on the daily, we had some clear bullish hammer, bullish pin bar, then continuation, but if Bitcoin daily closes below this price, I think that this is a failed attempt and it will go to this 6,900 or 6,800. Currently I'm short. I shorted from this level 7,820, and my stop is here. My target is 6,900. If Bitcoin breaks above 7,450, my target will be 8,200. But currently it's in a sideways, and it's on no trend, but the trend is bearish. But also we have some indication of bullishness. The SAR is bullish. So if you're SAR trader, your stop loss is here. So let's see how much percentage is there. So from here, if you bought this, it's 8%, so you must target 60%, or 8,500, which is the weekly resistance if we go and see here. So if Bitcoin breaks above 7,450, that's very bullish, and your next level to watch is 8,500 at 8,200. That's for Bitcoin. Let's go and see Ethereum. Ethereum is an interesting coin to trade right now. Let's see why. Something is fucking this screen. So I saw Ethereum right here and I was like, man, if it goes bullish, I'll go long, but I was it was before sleep, and I have a rule, I don't trade before sleep. And this was the trade I was going. It was 1 to 3 risk to reward, and the target went even above it. Currently it has a bullish hammer reversal pattern, and if it closes above here, your next target is, first target is here, because it wasn't tested, $130. So if we go long from here, your stop loss, let's say it finishes here, your stop loss is below this hammer. And how much is that? 4%, and your target will be 102. And this concludes for Ethereum, and this was the price. When the price went below this high, this low, it went even lower. So that's the trade for Ethereum. Let's see what has the biggest gainer today, Waves, done in USD. Right now, Waves, you have a bullish SAR, a breakout level, so levels to watch. Currently sitting on resistance. Levels to watch is this high. So this is a buy coin. So if you want to trade it, here is your long position. Your stop is here, below this low, and your target is probably the 200 EMA daily. And that concludes to this resistance, which was which now is in a downturn, which was in a downtrend, and now it's a probable, let's say, uptrend. Do you want me to show my position? I'm in a little loss, but that's okay, because losses we lose, and in order to win, we need to lose sometimes, so we upgrade our strategy. Let's see how are my position. I have some shitcoin in Encash, and today I'm minus 27 because I'm short on Bitcoin. I'm short on BNB. I'm short on Link, short on EOS, short on Matic, short on IOST, and short on Raven. Let's see how EOS BTC, how it performs. So EOS BTC, is there in 4 hour is there a bearish divergence? Not yet. Probably we see some kind of bearish divergence. It's this high, and you have a hidden bearish divergence. Let's see on the daily. Clearly going higher because the RSI is above 50, and yeah, this is a bullish divergence. We have a low, higher low, and a lower low, but the indicator says otherwise. So if this closes like this, you have a good entry to go long to this resistance, and that's my stop loss. So I went short because we had a breakdown from this level, but I thought this was a bearish pennant, and it was not. Maybe it's a descending triangle like this, because it tested this level many times, or probably a bear flag. Let's see if it's a bear flag. Where is the, yeah, rectangle? Yeah. So currently this is the zone that it's going sideways, and from now on my rule is to not trade sideways movements. The PSAR is bearish, but I don't have the PSAR. But if this closes above this high or this high, it's maybe it's a reversal, and your next zone for to go long on this is probably something like this. Let's see where it went parabolic. So yeah, something like this. So not a great risk to reward, or yeah, if it's this, yeah, it's a not good trade because you don't have good risk to reward. So EOS is a neutral zone. If it breaks below this trend line and closes, you're going to short, and your target for this is you get the flag from the where the bar is breaked, where the price breaks, and your target will be here. Let's go to other coin, which I don't know, Link USD. Not on Coinbase, on Binance, Link T, Chainlink Tethers. Let's see on the daily bearish below 50. The trend indicators, there is no sign of reversal currently. If you're a pattern trader, this is some kind of triangle, probably some symmetrical triangle. So if this breaks below this low, you go short. If it breaks above this high, you go long. And currently this candle is telling us there is indecision in the market. Let's see on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour we have a low, a lower low, a double top, and there is a clear sign of bearish divergence, even the indicator says, and yeah, the momentum is going lower. So if you're short, your target will be here. And how much percentage is that? 4%, and your target is, your loss is 1%. So that's a good trade if you ask me. Let's see other coin, Matic. I posted Matic USD on my Matic USDT on Binance. So there is a sideways action, no clear trend, but we have a huge downtrend. And if Matic, let's see on the daily, if Matic breaks below and closes below this level, horizontal line, this line, your next target will be this low. So keep a watch of Matic. Probably maybe inverted head and shoulder, but we don't know. Do we see some kind of, yeah, we see some kind of bearish exhaustion, but the indicator, the RSI, is in bearish zone. Also the RSI is in bearish zone. Is there some kind of bullish in divergence? Probably, but there is nothing indicating that. And if you're a pattern trader, probably this is how was that, a triangle, descending triangle, and if it breaks above this high, your target will be here, and if it breaks below this high, this low, your target, as I said, will be there. So that's about Matic. Let's see about Raven Coin USDT. Let's remove all drawing tools. So Raven Coin is currently in bullish pattern, bullish falling wedge. Is there some kind of indication of bearish exhaustion? Yes, but the RSI is neutral, and yeah, there is clear sign of some bullish momentum. But look at this. If you look at this high and this low high, probably some kind of bullish divergence. And if you can see, one time, second time, third time bearish divergence, the third time, and probably the fourth time. So to watch, levels to watch on this coin is this level, and your next level is this level, 0.2. So is there some kind of bullish divergence? Yeah, there is some kind of bullish divergence. You have this is called bullish confluence. Currently BTC is going below 5-minute scalp short, which is a bearish indication. Let's see what the Bitcoin is doing, BTC USD. So BTC closed above this support, and yeah, if your next level probably is this 7,450 on the 4-hour. Let's see. Yeah, I see this as a long opportunity because it closed above this level, which was a support, and clearly there's some kind of bullish divergence. Maybe, yeah, on the daily was a bullish divergence, but you got neutral RSI 4-hour. But always daily time frame beats the 4-hour. Let's see what's else. What my alerts see what my alerts are telling me. Atom, there is a breakdown on Atom USD. So Atom USDT. So Atom daily time frame. So I see this as a ending fifth diagonal. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or A, B, C, D, E. And if you connect the dots, you have something called a rising wedge, probably. Yeah, and do we see some kind of bearish divergence? Oh, yeah, we see there is clear sign of bearish divergence. You have a high and a double top, and your next high also on the indicator is lower. Bet Matic, Bet USD T. So bet, is there some kind of bearish divergence? No. On the daily, it clearly said there was some kind of accumulation in this level, and if you want to long this, you go to the Fibonacci line, Fibonacci retracement tool, and you go to the where it stopped. So your probable zone for next long opportunity is to go long from here. If it doesn't, then short here the 0.382 and probably the 0.5. So how much percentage gain from here? Your first target is here, your second target is here. So how much loss are we seeing? So this is a good trade, and probably I will be going here. Let's see in the weekly, where is the resistance and support. So clearly we have a bullish pin bar on the weekly, probable reversal zone. But if we look at the left, there is so much resistance that you need to see which. So this is a clear resistance on the weekly. Next resistance is here. So if this coin wants to go higher, it needs to break above this. Your first target is here. So from here you have 10%, and your stop loss is 5%, or your ultimate target is here. So if you go long from here, let's go long, let's say from here, your stop loss will be below this low and your target will be there, or 786. Let's see if there is some kind of questions. No, but Bitcoin is dumping right now. Bitcoin. So maybe this short is going okay. I have a stop loss. I trade on the both sides of the coin. So BTC USD right now is breaking up. Why? If you see, you connect the dots, always trade with the trend. So your next level support is this, and if you want to short here on the breakdown, let's say here, so your target will be here. And sorry, I don't have my glasses. And if you want to go short, so this is a good risk to reward ratio and a high probable trade, because you got a breakdown. Currently this level was broken, which was previous support, now turn resistance, and your ultimate target is right here, 7,120, but probably it's going here because on the rising wedge, if you have a rising wedge, your target always will be your previous low. So let's see if this level is tested, and that's my trade for today. I have also short on the other coins. Let's see on EOS what has been done. EOS BTC. 4 hour. So this is a interesting coin to trade, and currently I can see this is a rising wedge. So if it breaks below this level, you go short, and you're short, let's say from here. Your target will be, your stop will be here, and your target will be right here. And that's a good risk to reward ratio. Any bearish divergence? Yep, there is a clear bearish divergence on the 4 hour. We see a higher high, but the indicator is telling us there is a bearish divergence forming. And also I posted this as a on my trading view, which you can follow as a clear bearish bet. And your target for this bearish bet is, your first is 382 and 618. So if I have some shorts from here, I will close at this 618. And your ultimate target for this bearish bet is right here, 0.618. So harmonics give you a great risk to reward at good entries. And if you don't have any questions, I will pause for some time and then end this stream with and wish you a good trading career. And also follow me on the other social media, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also share with your friends. Bye.